In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off spell check in Affinity Designer. If you're seeing red wavy underlines appear under text as you work, that's Affinity Designer's live spell checker trying to help. It can be useful, but when you're laying out logos, stylized headlines, or working with non-standard words, those underlines can be distracting and can slow you down a bit. In just a few clicks, you can turn that off and keep your canvas clean while you design. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Launch it the way you normally do and wait for the interface to load. You can follow along whether you already have a document open or you're looking at a blank workspace. Having a document visible just makes it easier to see the change in real time. On macOS, the menus appear at the top of the screen. On Windows, they're at the top of the application window. Next, look for the text menu at the top. It sits alongside File, Edit, and View. Click Text to open the drop-down. This is where Designer keeps most of its type-related tools and settings, from font controls and frame types to advanced typography options. Even if you don't have a text layer selected, you'll still be able to access the spelling controls from here. Inside the text menu, find the spelling option. Hover over it or click it to reveal its submenu. This is where you'll see options that control how spelling is checked as you type. Depending on your setup, you may also see language choices listed here. Don't worry about those for now, we're just focusing on the live checking behavior. Now turn off the setting labeled Check Spelling while typing. You'll either uncheck a menu item or toggle a checkmark off. The moment this is disabled, any existing red underlines on your canvas will disappear, and Affinity Designer will stop scanning your text for spelling in the background. Your text content stays exactly the same. This only affects the on-screen indicators and the automatic checking. If you change your mind later, simply return to the same menu and turn Check Spelling while typing back on. That's all you need. Open Affinity Designer, go to Text, head into Spelling, and switch off Check Spelling while typing. It's a quick adjustment that can make your workspace feel calmer and help you focus on layout and style. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing without the distractions.